Hello guys, are we live? I think we are live. I'm pretty sure we are live. Yeah, we are live. We are live. Perfect, perfect. We are live. Okay, let's start our trading session for today. All right. There are chances for bullish, but we have not got any FVG, so I'll not take this trade. Perfect. Today I'll keep a watch on the chart as well. What is the chart saying? Okay. But we are live. Yeah. Perfect. But guys, the bias is bullish. Since yesterday, it is bullish for me. Here, I made selling trades and I had made profit. You can see these are all TP. This was the bias for yesterday. Today's bias is also bullish. You can all automatically see. People who say bearish is definitely you should leave trading, guys. And people who say price is clearly making higher highs and higher lows on the higher time frame. I'll show you. This was a very small trade yesterday. I made this. This was on how much? 24. Oh, this must be a. I was testing a new model. That was then. These are all TPs. I mean, this was a bigger loss. I don't know when this happened on 19th. I guess. Yeah, this is guys paper trading. I'm just showing you. I have my real account on my phone, but this is paper trading account. You can see the rest of my losses are pretty less. Only $41 was the biggest one because I was testing something I don't remember. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna wait for the sweep of this and come back. Or otherwise, if there is a new support formation, we'll take that. Right, so we'll take it up from there. I shared this yesterday. This was the trade itself. Yeah, it was a bit choppy. Yeah, tomorrow yesterday was the market was a little choppy. And I was marking the zones wrong. See, this was a good trade, but we missed it. Rest are yeah profitable. But guys, we haven't had any luck in the past 2 days, right? Because no trades. Yeah, we got trades all break evens, four break evens, and I gave four trades. This week is a rough week, I guess. We have made $0 till now. So let's see if today's trade can change that. I'm pretty sure it will, but let's see. Because if we make a huge profit in this trade today, we'll be profitable this week as well. Otherwise, this break will be a break even. But I think we'll be able to get a good trade today. Clearly, bias is bullish. Now, yesterday I was doing this problem. Many of you will say this is also support. Technically, it is valid, but it is not a strong support or a sweep support. I'll tell you why. If you see here, this is a thing that I have observed, and yeah, you can see It came down, it broke the previous high, again low, broke the previous high. It means clearly bias is bullish, or the support is there and it is bullish. Here also it is true, it is going up. But here if you see, it has not broken any major high. No, it means it is not a it is a valid support but not a strong support. We want a strong support. We want something like either this, then we want something another like this, and then it should come down, sweep that, and then go up to our TP. Let's see, guys. It is now the structure is pretty messy here. You can say we will take, if we want to take, we'll take this zone around here. Okay, let's take this whole zone thing. But before that, we need another bullish candle till here to break the previous high. There's no one in the chat, so no point in even seeing the chat today. No trade, no, not right now. We'll use another study. I'll give you two trades. But yeah, it is not a support level. Yeah, this is not the correct support. We'll take this only. This is a pretty bad idea to take this. It is a good idea if we take this. Bias is bullish. Bullish breakout structure, bullish breakout structure, bullish breakout structure. It is bullish. Clearly bullish bias. I will not take that structure, but if you want me to give you a risky trade and a kind of trade, yeah, I have to give you, but I don't want to give this trade. I'm not feeling good vibes in this trade. If it breaks this high, we will consider this as a good support as well. If it breaks, but I think it will not. Personally, I don't think so. Of course, there is selling volume. It needs some liquidity. Volume has slowed down, and you can see it is coming down. See now, either I don't know. This is a valid support or not. If this can go, no. With which one? Let's see. Till here. See, this is a possible idea, but it is a very big support, and our SL will be very big, and waiting time is huge. Let's just take this one. This is also huge, but I think this will be better. See, we can either take this as well now. This with paired to this. But now you'll say that yeah, it has already swept and came up. Right, you'll say that. But we have not seen any fair value gap. So let's take this only. Yeah, let's take this. See if we get, then we'll probably get this kind of a support. Prices come down, bounced off, came down, bounced off, came down, bounced off. If this has, yeah, it is valid now. See, I'll keep these both as the ones, but I think this is a better one. This is a riskier one. I think I feel this. So I'll put this in red. It is a riskier zone, but I think we can do it. We can see which zone works or not, right? So I think personally the zone will be right. Today I have some work, guys, so I will be have to I will have to end the stream early. I have some important work today. This is valid, I think, pretty much. Yeah, it is valid, I think. But if it sweeps still here and then goes up with power momentum, then it's good. We'll take a trade like this, and it will if it will come back down till here, then also we have an option. So we have two options in this trade, in this live stream. We can see which one we want to use. In a bit, we'll get to know that which one which should we use. We'll get to know it very very soon. But I think its selling momentum is very very high. According to this candle, it looks very high. Yeah, this candle is specifically very high. I don't require indicators though. I don't like to use the indicators. That is the thing. Let's see if we get a trade. We can get a wick and a proper closing, both will work for us. But I suggest if a proper closing is there, that is better because there will be more liquidity than there, right? So, yeah. And if it goes down straight and comes back up, then also we have first of all final entry here and the re-entry here if anybody will have to enter. Because many people or many of you want to enter again and may you don't get the right time to enter, right? So this will be better for you. I have marked two zones, but both zones are valid zones. It is just that the first one is a little risky. Risky, I mean, it's not that risky, but yeah, it's risky, I guess. You want to take precaution there, right? So, of course, it is risky. Plus, if you feel it is risky, of course, then the price will also not respect it. Price also will follow its own principle. It will not come for you only. It will work on economics, basically. Price is going down. Now we can have, yeah, it is this only. These zones is right now very very close. See, this is there. See, this is also there. Look at this. This is also a full zone here. But we'll take that one only. See, if we get an entry, it's good. If we don't, then also it is fine. Because it is, of course, if we are going break even this week, then it's fine. We'll take a trade. We have Thursday and Friday as well. 2 days we have. Tomorrow also I'll come live and also on Friday. No, not on Friday. I'll not be able to come on Friday. Not live on Friday. So we have still Thursday and Friday. I will post on Telegram. We still have 2 days for a trade. And two trades, I will give you probably two trades in one day. So four profits you can still do. So I think then after that, I think we will not be break even. We'll be at least in profit a little bit. Now we need high momentum candle. This is nothing. We want a higher momentum candle. Higher. We need to get above that zone. If it is facing rejection, that is a bad sign. You don't want to see any rejections. See now, either you can enter here if we get a good confirmation, or you can enter here. There's an option. Now we'll maximum go for a 1 is to 4. Right, we don't want to risk a lot, so I'll go max 1 is to 4. Oh wow, 1 is to 4 is okay. That is the SL difference. 1 is to 4 we'll make. That is the thing. Yeah. Two options we have. Where we'll get a better confirmation, we'll enter there. By the looks of this one, I don't think so. This zone is good. It is a good zone, but it will give us SL if we take entry right now. It will give us SL if we enter right now. Now I think, let's see. Let's compare the size at least two or three times the candle. I think it is already two or three times. That is two. The body of the candle we need to compare. That is 5. Yeah, two times it is there. If we get an FVG, then probably okay. Then we have a better chance if we get an FVG. Then we'll enter. Otherwise, no entry. Yeah. So if we get an FVG here, we'll enter. Okay. Okay. If we get an FVG, guys, then go. Okay. Enter. Put your SL just here. Entry. Entry. We entered somewhat here. SL here. 1 is to 4 maximum target. Go, go, go. Yeah, good, good. SL break even. SL break even. It is 1 is to 1 done. Yeah, risk free. Please be risk free. We don't want to risk anything. If it goes break even, fine. I don't want to know that you lost something. Break even, then break even, no problem. Okay, I think break even must be it. You can re enter. It looks like there is a very good gap. Re entry is possible. Re enter. Yeah. I think you have entered now, right? So hold, hold. We'll hold till 052 around till here. 1 is to 1 was done. It was a good move that we had gotten out here, but we have re entered. It should go up after this. High buying momentum is there. Yeah, should go up according to my strategy, I think it should go up. This doji candle I don't like, which is made here. I wanted to see at least 1:1, guys. Let's wait. At least it till here it should go. At least I'm saying. Wanted to see it go till here. I don't know. Buying is very slow right now. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Is there any news today? Break even if you want to do. Please. Break evens again hit, I think. Pretty sure break evens must be hit again. But re-enter. Re-entry I'll put. Right, I have entered late. We'll lose $2 or we'll make. Guys, break even for today. No luck. So I'll see you guys tomorrow then. We'll see.